All right. On number 4, it's saying which of the following equations would have no solution. So we want to look through, and here's an easy way to do this. If you've already got it where you've got the distributive property done, you can kind of look at that and see if you have this, if you have, so like what I'm looking at is I'm going to have over here, I'm going to have 10x, and when I move it over here, it's going to be negative 10x. So those are going to cancel each other out. So I've already zeroed out. So there's a possibility that could be no solution. If I can zero out my constants, so I would say 3 goes over here, becomes negative 3. So those are going to cancel each other out. So this one is going to be infinitely many solutions because no matter what, these are the same exact equations. If I just switch the variable and the constant around, they'd be the same equations. So we know no matter what we put in there, it's going to equal. Same for this one. Because I've got the same terms on each side, I've got a negative 8x, I've got negative 8, negative 8. I've got positive 16x, I've got positive 16x. They'll cancel each other out and they would have infinitely many solutions because remember, it zeroes out both of them. In this one, I'm going to end up with an 8x. So I'm going to cross this out and just put an 8x. And I'm going to have a negative 12. Again, these are going to be basically the same exact expressions. So they're going to be equal no matter what all the time. So we know that that's going to end up canceling each other out. So this one doesn't work either, which leaves this. So I'm going to end up with a positive 6x. Okay. I'm going to end up with a a negative 6x, and I'm going to end up with a positive 12 because my constants are the opposite signs. They won't cancel each other out. Only my variables will. And so I would have 0 equals 24 or negative 24, which we know won't work. So that means D has to be the answer. Go ahead and work on this question, the question that matches this on your test.